So the final bit that I want to show you, and this is in chapter 16 of the handout, and it's how to export your map. So you have the obvious easy bit of using snipping tool, or say shutter, where you can just go and take selection that you want. The other option that's built into QGIS is using under the menu project and going down to import export. You can export your map as an image or as a PDF, and that will just do your map canvas. The other option that's available to you in QGIS is creating what's called a print layout. By selecting this, give it a title, and it'll bring up a new window which you can then populate with items from your QGIS project by using this toolbar along the side here. So just to quickly show you, say this is in your handout, but if you click here to add a map, that's bringing in the map from your project, and then it's going to then appear in your items that are on your print output. And by selecting there, you can change its oh, didn't mean to do that. Anyway, you can change its properties down here, the position. If you select this item, that allows you to move the whole picture. If you select this icon, means you can select the contents of it. So it's like you're back in your QGIS project and you're panning your map within the screen. So other things you can put on is a title. You can add legend. You can add scale bar. So as you're filling your layout up, you can select each one either on this layout here or in this item here, and then play with the properties that exist below relevant to what you're working on to make it look like how you would like. So when you're happy with that and you close it, you can re-access it by going to project layouts, and it exists here, so you can keep coming back to it. And then you then get to export it in a variety of formats. Okay, well done. I'm not going to ask you to go through any of that now, but I just wanted to quickly show you that that's available. There's a PDF I shared with you, which we haven't used yet, and that's this Geographical Modelingproject Pdf. And it's for those of you that are interested in doing a geographical modelling project. This helps you to look at some information, things to think about when you are planning your project. So what is the scope of your project, which who is in and who is out of your area, like your data, how you're calculating your travel times, etc. So there's a resource there for people to use who are looking at doing a geographical modelling project. So please do play with give QGIS, play with it. I'll share with you another set of data about Wales and locations of stroke services and travel times. So then you can go through the document again if you wish with this different set of data to practice what we have gone through today. Well done all. And that's the end. Thank you.
Thanks, Kate. Before we close off, before everybody disappears, just a couple quick things to talk about for next week. First of all, thank you, Kerry. That was a brilliant session. So thank you very much for doing that. So for next week, we